are you today? I'm excited to begin reading our story, Jahaan the Mystery Monster Truck. In the bustling town of Motorcity, Iowa, where the roads wove through fields like ribbons, lived a very special monster truck named Jahaan. Jahaan was no ordinary monster truck. He was clever, kind, and always ready for an adventure. He loved solving mysteries, and his big wheels were perfect for rolling over all sorts of terrain. One sunny morning, as the sun peeked over the horizon, Jahaan rumbled awake in his cozy garage. He stretched his wheels and gave his engine a little vroom-vroom to greet the day. Today felt special, and Jahaan had a feeling that an adventure was just around the corner. As Jahaan rolled down Main Street, he greeted everyone with a cheerful honk. "Good morning, Mr. Steam Engine," he called to the old train that chugged past. "Hello, Miss Excavator," he waved to the bright yellow construction machine digging a new playground. Soon, Jahaan reached the edge of town where the grass grew tall and wild. There, next to a big oak tree, was his friend Dino, the curious little dinosaur. Dino was bouncing with excitement, his green scales shimmering in the sunlight. "Jahaan! Jahaan!" Dino called, his voice bubbling with excitement. "There's a mystery! Something very strange is happening at the old barn. Funny noises and lights at night." Jahaan's headlights twinkled with curiosity. "A mystery, you say?" he asked, revving his engine. "Let's go investigate." Together, Jahaan and Dino made their way to the old barn at the edge of town. The barn was a large, creaky structure, covered in ivy and a little bit of dust. It looked like it had many stories to tell. As they got closer, Jahaan's nose picked up a delicious smell. Dino, do you smell that?" Jahaan asked, his engine rumbling happily. "It smells like pizza." Dino sniffed the air and nodded. "Yummy, it does, but where's it coming from?" Jahaan rolled up to the barn doors, which creaked open at his gentle nudge. Inside was a cozy little room filled with colorful lights and the delightful aroma of freshly baked pizza. And there, standing in the middle of the room, was Chef Pepperoni, the famous pizza-making plane. "Hello, Jahaan and Dino," Chef Pepperoni called, waving a doughy wing. "Welcome to my secret pizza parlor. I've been working on a new recipe, and I needed a quiet place." Jahaan's eyes widened, and Dino's mouth watered. "Wow, Chef Pepperoni! We thought something mysterious was going on here," Jahaan said, his engine purring with relief and delight. Chef Pepperoni chuckled, the lights dancing on his shiny propeller. "Well, I suppose it is a bit of a mystery. Would you both like to be my taste testers?" Dino nodded enthusiastically, and Jahaan gave a happy honk. They watched as Chef Pepperoni skillfully tossed the dough into the air, spread rich tomato sauce, and sprinkled gooey cheese on top. He added just the right amount of toppings before sliding the pizza into the oven. While they waited, Jahaan noticed colorful pictures on the barn's walls. "What are those, Chef Pepperoni?" Jahaan asked, pointing with his front tire. "Oh, those are my pizza plans," the plane replied, motioning with a wing. "I've been dreaming up pizzas from all over the world. I call this one the Dino Delight." Dino's eyes sparkled. "Is that because it's got so many toppings?" Chef Pepperoni nodded. "Exactly! It's got a little bit of everything, just like an adventure through the jungle." Finally, the oven dinged, and Chef Pepperoni flew over to bring the pizza out. The smell was more fantastic than ever, a perfect blend of melty cheese and spicy pepperoni. Jahaan and Dino each took a big, yummy bite. "Wow!" Jahaan said, his tires tingling with happiness. "This is the best pizza ever. It's like taking a tasty trip." Dino nodded, munching away. "Thank you, Chef Pepperoni. It's amazing." With bellies full and the mystery of the old barn solved, Jahaan and Dino thanked their new friend and promised to visit again soon. As they rolled back into town, Jahaan felt the warmth of the sun on his hood and the joy of a mystery well solved. He realized that sometimes the most delightful surprises come when you follow your curiosity and keep an open mind. And so, the clever monster truck and his little dinosaur friend rolled on, ready for whatever mystery or adventure the day might bring, knowing that every twist and turn on the road could lead to something wonderful. The end. I really enjoyed reading this story to you today. I hope you had fun too.